Hi there, I'm Dr. Jake Smiley from Columbia Pike Animal Hospital and Emergency Center, and today I'm going to be talking to you about canine dentistry and the importance of good dental health in dogs. Just like us humans, dogs have teeth not too dissimilar from ours, and they can get cavities, they can get loose teeth, they can get gingivitis, and all of these things can cause pain in the mouth, bad breath, difficulty eating, and other discomforts. And if you have an uncomfortable dog, then you don't have a happy dog, and we want everybody's pet to be nice and happy. Some dogs are very stoic and will put up a good show, but if you've noticed that he's drooling, or his mouth seems bright red or swollen, or his teeth don't look a nice white color but look brown, then all of those things will indicate that there's something going on. Dogs that have toothaches might become a lot crankier, as you can imagine. They may not want to play or put things in their mouth. At worst cases, you may see them twitch their head or grimace when they chew, or they may refuse to chew at all, and they only want to eat little snacks and treats and soft food instead of their regular dog food. Lastly, of course, dog breath is a term for a reason, and there is dog breath and there is bad breath. So if you find that your dog is panting in your face and things smell a lot worse than they normally do, he's probably got something stuck in his teeth somewhere. Just like us humans, brushing teeth is the most important first thing. Now, not every dog is willing to have his teeth brushed, but for those that are, that's a great big help. It's more important to have the mechanical action of a toothbrush or a finger brush knocking the plaque off than it necessarily is to have the right kind of toothpaste. But there are all sorts of doggy toothpaste out there with flavor that might make it a more fun experience for the dog. Especially if you start young with a puppy, you can usually get them used to it. I go back and forth with dental treats because, of course, there's a lot of variety. The most important thing is having some kind of roughage on the teeth and not having a lot of sugar or stringy bits that will get caught in between the gums. Teeth are one of those structures of the body that we can't really fix when they're damaged. So it's much better to keep a healthy tooth clean and thereby healthy than to have to pull out a tooth that's become rotten and loose in its socket. We don't have dentures for dogs, so whatever they lose, they're not getting back. And because of that, we want to make sure that they go through life with the biggest smile they can. Of course, it's not terrible if they do end up losing some teeth later in life. That is very common to happen, and dogs get by. But it really would be better if everything stayed healthy and they could chew hard, crunchy snacks even when they're 19 years old. Checking the mouth is a standard part of every checkup, which should happen once a year. When dogs get really old, they may have other health problems, and you may be coming to the vet more frequently than that. And at those kind of regular appointments, again, checking the mouth is a pretty standard thing to do. Lastly, of course, anytime you are concerned about something, you should always talk to a vet about it, even if it's just asking a quick question in the middle of getting a booster shot. It's always better to ask and know than to let something go too long. So there's a lot to talk about with canine dentistry, as you can imagine. If you have any concerns or questions about your pet's smile, then go ahead and give us a call or make an appointment to talk with a veterinarian.